Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all safe. Yes, before going to the topic, we should do warm-up exercise. Be ready, student? Everyone sit in your place, ma. Sit straight, close your eyes. Backbone straight, ma. Keep backbone straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 children. Clap. Stop. 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 Children, take out your classwork, everyone. Applications. Example 4. See, Sunny brought a rope of length 20 meters, 12 centimeters. Bunny brought another rope of length 12 meters, 20 centimeters. What is the total length of rope they brought? You should add. Yes. See, read the question right. Sunny bought a rope of length 20 centimeter, 20 meter, 12 centimeter. Bunny bought another rope of length 12 meters, 20 centimeter. Okay. Now, what is the total length of the rope they brought? They bought. Say question mark. What you have to do? Solution. See the length of the rope brought by Sunny. What is that? 20 meters, 12 centimeter. Okay. Next, the length of the rope bought by Bunny. How much? 12 meters, 20 centimeter. Okay. Then what you have to do? You should do the total. The total length of the ropes. How much? 20 meters, 12 centimeter plus 12 meters, 20 centimeter. Yes or no? Then first of all you should do column. Yes. Already I told you. meter column, centimeter column. S L. Listen. What is that? Plus symbol. Addition. 20 meters, 12 centimeters, 12 meters, 20 centimeters. You should add. 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. What is the total? What is the total? 32 meters, 32 centimeters. Therefore, the total length of a rope of the rope bought by both of them is equal to, what is that? 32 meters, 32 centimeter. Fast. Write down fast. Write it fast. After writing this, take out your workbook. After writing this, take out your workbook, ma. See, workbook. Raj travelled 4 kilometers 4 meters from his school to his house. How many meters did he travel? What you have to do? You should convert into meters. Okay. First of all, 17th one. What you have to do? Raj travelled 4 kilometers 4 meters from his school to his home. Okay. How many meters did he travel? Means you should do the convert meters. You know now, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Yes. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. You know now that? Yeah. Then the distance travelled by Raj to his home is equal to 4 kilometers 4 meters. Okay. We know as 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Yes or no? That's why 4 kilometer 4 meters is equal to 4 into 1000 plus 4 meters. Yes or no? 4000 plus 4 meters. Now 4004 meters. 4 kilometer is 4 meter is equal to 4004 kilometers. Therefore, Raj travelled 4004 meters. Understood? Write it fast in the workbook. Next question, the 18th one. Write this, children. Over this, now 18th one. You know the converting. Already I told you how to do convert meters to kilometers, kilometers to meters, and meters to centimeter. As 18th one. The length of the cloth that Samira used for her birthday dress is 3 meters 2 centimeter. What is its length in centimeter? What you have to do? You should convert into centimeter. Understood? The length of cloth (3 meters 2 centimeters). You should convert this into centimeters. We know. What you know? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Yes, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. You know. Then, what is that? 3 meters 2 centimeter is equal to 3 into 100 plus 2 centimeter. 300 plus 2 centimeter. 302 centimeters. See, 300 into 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. 3 ones are 3. 300 answer. Again, 300 plus 2. 2, 0, 3. 302. Understood? Therefore, Samira the length of cloth is 302 centimeter. Understood? After this, children, 19th one, long answer question. You should read properly question and you should understand the question. Then only you can do the sum. Otherwise, you can't. That's why please practice reading. Always you should read the questions first. Okay, after that understand that. Automatically you can do it. See, 19th one. Subject brought a ribbon of length 22 meters 14 centimeter. Sonu brought a ribbon of length 16 meters 10 centimeter. What is the total length of the ribbons they bought? See, 19th one. The length ribbon bought by Sadvik. What is that? 22 meters 14 centimeters. Okay. Next, the length of ribbons. Ribbon bought by, who is this? Next is Sonu. What is that? Length of ribbon Sonu bought 16 meters 10 centimeter. Okay. Next, the total length of ribbon is equal to 22 meters 14 centimeters plus 16 meters 10 centimeter. What is the total of this? See, first of all, should do the column. Yes, meter column, centimeter column. What is it? 22 meters 14 centimeter, 16 meters 10 centimeter. Addition, 0 plus 4 4, 1 plus 1 2, 6 plus 2 8, 2 plus 1 3. What is the total? 38 meters 24 centimeters. Therefore, meters 24 centimeters. Okay. Therefore, the total length of ribbon bought by both of them is 38 meters 24 centimeters. Understood? Write it fast. Next 19th one, sorry, 20th one, try it. Okay? Try. I will say next class. Is it right or wrong? You should check. 20th one you should check, try it, okay.